So in this they have given us the value of I1 and I2, and we have to find out the resulting intensity when the path difference is lambda by 4. So for this we know that the resulting intensity is given by I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 into cos of delta phi, where delta phi is a phase difference, and the path difference they have given us as lambda by 4. So the relation from the relation between phase difference and path difference, we can write delta phi is equal to 2 pi by lambda into delta x, which will give us pi by 2. This is a phase difference. So now after substituting cos delta phi for delta phi, we'll get I resultant as I1 plus I2, as delta phi is pi by 2, we'll get cos pi by 2 as 0. And this is nothing but 4 I naught plus I naught. So I resultant is going to be 5 I naught. This is the answer.